Hey, what's up, good ride lovers? I'm doing another unboxing for my Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, or well, should I say it's rather unenveloping. What I have here is a TEC alloy CNC adjustable rider food packs from TEC Bike Parts from UK. They just arrived in an envelope. The cost was around £50, which is I don't know, something around $80, I guess. These are replace food packs for your Royal Enfield. You actually bolt them on. You don't have to modify anything else. You just remove the old ones, the original ones, and you place those. The idea behind this device is, as you can imagine, change the position of your foot while you're riding. It can actually lower the position of your foot by 20 millimeters or make it higher. After a quick look, you can actually see that the quality of those foot packs is outstanding. It's just perfect. It's exactly what you would expect from a CNC machined piece of aluminum. And I guess the black parts are, I think it's called anodized. So it is really, really a good feeling, and it looks really great. So, yeah, I think we'll try to fit them on. It's middle of the March, well, it's winter, it's very cold, it's around 5 degrees in plus, but very sunny today. So, why not do it outside, right? Music, please. Now it's quite obvious that you need to start with removing the original food packs. It's quite easy process. Now just remember not to throw away anything, because you will have to use 3 parts out of it. First one is the pin, obviously. The second one is the spring, and the security, the secure hairpin that you need to put as a last piece. What I am doing right now is I'm a little bit struggling with putting the new foot packs in. Well, they are a little bit beefy, I guess. It might be just a matter of my motorcycle, like maybe there is too much paint in there, but it just doesn't go in as loose, as precise, as easy as I would expect it to. Now here comes the tricky part. It's quite hard to put back the spring. Not that it's strong or something like that, it's just not aligned with the holes in the foot pack. So what I learned is the easiest way for me, it was using a small 3mm Allen wrench to navigate and align the spring with other holes, and this actually helped. Now the easy part is just adjusting the height that you're looking for, right? So you won't be able to figure out what is the proper height for you before riding a couple of times, but the reason I bought those foot packs was to lower the position of my legs, of my feet. And this is what I'm going to do. So you do this using 2 screws. So if you wonder what I'm doing here is, well, I'm actually comparing the new position of the foot pack after adjustment to the original one. Well, it's exactly 20 millimeters like expected, but I wanted a little more. Doesn't matter at this point. There is also one more thing that I've noticed. Actually, the new foot packs, because of the adjustment arm, are gonna make you push your leg a little further from the motorcycle, away from the motorcycle. Well, this is something you're gonna have to live with. So the next thing you want to do is lower your gear shift lever, and you can do that adjusting the bolt that is transferring the shifting power from the gear lever to the gearbox itself. So I don't really think it makes too much sense showing you the other side, the brake lever side, how to do it, because it's pretty straightforward and actually the same process that it was for the gear lever side. Well, I only find it even more difficult because of the amount of paint on my motorcycle, and it was even tighter to actually make this works, hence the hammer. Again, please remember that you need to use a blue Loctite to secure those bolts in place. And I'm not doing this only because I'm gonna ride a little bit and then go back to it and secure those bolts. That's it, guys, all done. So I already did a 20 kilometers ride on those new foot pegs. So honestly, the height of the foot pegs is not as noticeable as I would expect, as I was counting for. But what I notice is that the angle of your legs, not only the angle between your knee and your feet changed, but what changed is actually your knees are much closer to the tank. Not sure why, but this really shifted. So it's too early for me to say if it's a better change or not. But on the other hand, every one of us is different, so you all need to test this for yourself. And good luck, guys. Have a great day and a safe ride. Bye.